channel. I am Cora Ray, and today I've got an awesome desk DIY organisation for you. Basically, before I filmed this video, my desk was just like nothing. It was just like a pot with random pens and pencils in it with like this random English flag like sticking out of it. I know I'm English, I know I'm living in Rome, but like this flag was just so random, it just doesn't match, you know? Like, I'm just like jamming all these things in, it just doesn't work. So I need to create a DIY organisational desk space so that I can do my like editing and my Italian studying in a calm, nice, relaxed and enjoyable environment. These are the things that I've got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and also click that notifications button down there so that you can get notified of whenever my videos come out. For this DIY, we are going to be making a file holder for your desk. So you will need a decent sized cereal box, and you're going to need to cut off all those tabs at the top of the box, as we do not need them. Once they're all cut off, you then need to measure the side of your box and mark a part way down your box. So mine is 30 centimeters and I marked 16 centimeters, and then you'll need to do that all the way around and connect it in the middle. Once you've done that, cut it all out so that you've got a lovely hole in your box so that your books and pieces of paper can slot in there nicely. After that, we're going to need to add some colour to our box. So I am spray painting mine silver. Of course, you can add like paper to it if you want, but I find it easier to do silver as I want the silver theme going on my desk. And here is our finished file holder paper thing that will slot nicely onto our desk. For this next DIY, we're going to put in photo frames up above our desk. So you'll need photo frames of your desired size. So I've got 3 smaller ones. You'll also need some wallpaper, some like tester ones that I've got mine from Homebase. And I love this wallpaper because it was on the same roll, but it had different patterns, all in the same colour. So I divided up the patterns from this wallpaper into the separate sections so that I could put them into my 3 different photo frames. First up, you are going to need to trace around your photo frame onto the wallpaper on the back in the desired location that you would like the pattern to show above your desk. Afterwards, super easy, you're just going to cut that out. Once it's cut out, just going to place the photo frame back together. After you've put it back together in your photo frame, you're going to hang it up above your desk, and it looks really nice because it gives a bit of scenery to your wall when you look up from your desk, so it's not just a plain wall. Like me, you probably haven't had a mouse pad in who knows how long, and the mouse is like completely scratching up your desk. So here I'm going to show you how to make your very own mouse pad. First up, you're going to need the back of a notepad or the front of a notepad and any spare material you've got lying around. Mine is an IKEA cover pillowcase. So you're going to place your notepad on the material and cut the material around the notepad using your desired space on the material so that you get all the little cute patterns that you want to show up on your mouse pad. Then you're going to glue all the sides of the notepad one at a time and fold the material over and firmly stick it down. And you repeat this for all of the other sides. While doing so, just cut off any excess of the material that you have in the middle so that it doesn't make it as like frumpy when you put it down on the actual desk. And here we have our finished mouse pad. It looks super cool and it's so soft on my hands. Obviously mine's kind of small, so if you want it bigger, then you can go ahead and do that. As I have got lots of pens and pencils and all of that stuff, I've decided I would like to have 2 pen pots. So I'm using this one that I already have, which is just a plain silver kind of wired one. And then also went to a shop to see if I could buy another one similar, but unfortunately they didn't have any of a good size. So I just bought this plant pot, which I thought I could jazz up a little bit and match it in and spray paint it silver. So that's what I did. I spray painted the plant pot silver, and then I went ahead and spray painted my other pot silver to make sure that they're the same silvery colour. One thing I love about having this plant pot as a pen holder is that it is bigger than my other pen holder, so it fits loads of things in it. And I love it because the pattern of it is so pretty and beautiful and it matches so well. For the last DIY, it's very straightforward. You're going to be needing 2 small desk drawers for the tiny things that are on your desk. So these ones were 99 cents. So what you need to do is take the top off one of the tiny drawers and super glue it to the bottom of the other one. You need to hold down for a little bit just to make sure it does attach itself. As it is quite light, it probably will move around on your desk. So to stop it moving around, put bits of white tack to the bottom and press it down on your desk. That way when you open the drawers, it will generally stay in place. And then you can put all your small things inside. So I've got rubber, sharpener, I've got some little pegs, some little label tags. All of that can go inside and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've got some great ideas from watching this video and that you go ahead and try them. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching this video, and also leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. If you've got any more tips for me, or if I can give you any tips. If I can give you some more tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!